Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and in this section, we'll be covering authentication methods. Credentials are specific to a user's identity. For example, their individual username and password, PIN, or biometric information. Every user, including IT administrators, teachers, staff persons, and students, has credentials. An authentication method is the way a user proves their identity to a system. For example, a user inputs their credentials in a sign-in screen or via the Microsoft Authenticator app in which they have set up their account. Authentication methods can also be broken down into categories or types such as sign-in authentication, password reset authentication, multi-factor authentication. Authentication types. Authentication methods vary widely from traditional to advanced. Common types include passwords and PINs, common but can be risky for security. Picture passwords and pattern locks offer memorability and simplicity. Biometric authentication, facial, fingerprint, retinal provides secure, unique user identification. Passwordless authentication emphasizes security and convenience by eliminating traditional passwords, removing the hassle of memorization, and mitigating threats like phishing. Some of Microsoft's methods include Windows Hello for Business uses biometrics, PIN for secure sign-ins and SSO. Microsoft Authenticator app enables phone verification with notifications and biometrics, PIN. FIDO2 security key allows password-free logins with external internal keys. Password reset authentication, self-service password reset with Microsoft Entra ID lets users change their own passwords without help desk assistance, cutting down on support costs and improving security and efficiency. Some of the key features include self-service, users can change or reset their passwords without administrator or help desk assistance. Security enhancement, SSPR improves organizational security by allowing users to promptly address account lockouts or compromises. Compliance with password policies, SSPR enforces Microsoft Entra password policies regarding complexity, length, expiration, and character use, ensuring standardized security measures across the board. Multi-factor authentication, MFA is a security measure that requires more than one piece of evidence to confirm your identity when logging into an account, like a code from your phone in addition to your password. Some MFA methods include SMS text message, a code sent to the user's phone. Phone voice call, answering a call to confirm identity. Microsoft Authenticator app, a code or biometric verification through the app. An OAuth hardware token, using a physical token for authentication. Set up OAuth for external services. OAuth is a protocol for authorization that lets users give third-party services like GitHub or Jenkins permission to use their information without sharing their login details. It ensures secure connections, making authentication and permissions straightforward. Use personal access tokens. Personal access tokens provide a way for users to create special tokens to access DevOps tools. They're especially handy for command line interactions or scripts needing direct access to these services. Apply role-based access control. Role-based access control sets up detailed access rules based on users' roles and what they're allowed to do. It makes sure people have just the right access they need for their work, keeping sensitive information secure. So that's an overview of the authentication and credential strategies.